The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Newbies like to use force. Veterans like to control. Don't use too much force when you don't have the timing yet. Hi, I'm EmRatThich. I noticed you like to use a lot of power. Yeah, you see, the more amateur a player is, the more they rely on power. Look, your flick timing is too early. As soon as the ball comes, you rush forward to hit it. Wait for it, catch it at the right moment when it's dropped. Also, create enough space. Okay, I'll try. This feels like waiting too long. Too early, too fast. Let me show you. How are you flicking the ball? You're always rushing the timing. Wait a bit. Wait. Then hit pa. Watch, the ball comes, wait pa. How do you flick it? Like this. You can't generate power. It's unstable. Wait. Leave space. Then hit. Wait. Pa. Good shot.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.